Hey guys, Infernal Man here. I just want to tell you guys that I'm not like a regular channel. I don't have a certain posting schedule. I try to post like every day, and if I'm inactive for like a week or two, the day I come back, I'll post like 5 or 6 videos of me doing whatever. This is the first day I've had my channel, right? Besides my other channel, but I might go inactive for like a week, maybe a month or two. But I'll always come back, right? And I'll always try to make up. So yeah, you notice I've already made 2 burping videos today, and I might as well make another, you know? It's no use making you guys wait like day after day or like every Friday or something, you know? Just stupid. I might as well make them all while I have the time. Here we go. Oh, I was just about to hit the end video button. Game acts like I'm still in subs. Yeah. I'll try to get a really long, big one. When it's long, it's not as loud because it's sort of held back, but it sort of streams. If not, then if I like feel like I can't, I'll just like blast it. I'm gonna stop talking for the rest of this video, unless till the end where I'll say my thoughts. And yeah, I'll just burp for the rest of the video for like a minute. Yeah. Oh, it feels like I'm giving birth. Could have been loud as hell. I'll make a really loud as hell one. Feels like I'm giving birth and there's too much air. Dirt on the lines. Nice. My one before that was moderately loud and it was sort of long as well. Okay, now people are looking at me. Yeah, my dad just gave me the look.